Hello and welcome back to another edition of Teacher Talks. And guess what, friends? We've got another one of the awesome series, The Bad Guys, coming out. Bad Guys book number 10 in the baddest day ever. The Bad Guys in the baddest day ever. So cool, so cool. Look at that guy right there. And that is, of course, by Aaron Blabe. And we don't even have a cover for this yet. Although it does say, again, the title right there. Very cool. Hey, guess how I found out about this? Mr. Pig. I want to give you a huge shout out. Thank you, Mr. Pig. And hey, guys, if you ever come across anything awesome like this, put it in the comments down below any of my videos. Actually, I shouldn't say that. Put it in the comments down below of my most recent video, and I will see it, and it'll help us to get awesome content for our videos. All right, let's read down below and see what it says. The description says, they may look like bad guys, but these wannabe heroes are doing good deeds, whether you like it or not. This New York Times best-selling illustrated series is perfect for fans of Dogman and Captain Underpants. It's not looking good for these bad guys. Marmalade's villainous forces have victory in their grasp, and the world domination is just moments away. Our heroes are down, defeated, and desperate. But in these darkest of times, unity is the only option. The bad guys and the International League of Heroes pull together with one last chance to save the world. Now there is only one question left. Have they packed enough snacks? This epic adventure is sure to have fans laughing, snorting, and begging for more. Hey, how cool is that? Another Bad Guys on the way. And again, a huge thank you to Mr. Pig out there. We sure appreciate that. All right, guys, listen, how about some shout outs? How about some little discussion on a few of the comments and a big thank you? So in case you missed it, this is coming out the day after Christmas. The day after Christmas, so December 26th, 2019, about 6 months away. Okay, guys, let's get to some shout-outs and read some comments. George Alonso says, I'm getting Big Nate payback time for my birthday. Hey, congratulations to you, and it sounds like you have a birthday coming up, so happy birthday. Angry Bird fan says, I'm going to the Captain Underpants and the preposterous plight of the purple potty people on August 13th. 2019. Very cool. Congratulations to you. And here he is right here, Mr. Pig. Thank you, Mr. Pig. And he says, there's a Bad Guys book 10 on the baddest day ever, not revealed, coming December 26th. Thank you, Mr. Pig. Your comment right there is how I made this video. Congratulations to you. Angry Birds, I already have the Captain Underpants and the Captain Underpants of the Big Bad Battle of the Bionic Booger Boy, Part 2, The Revenge of the Ridiculous Boogers. Very cool. Congratulations to you. Those Captain Underpants are awesome. By the way, Captain Underpants, you'll want to stay on this channel right here. But those of you still looking for Dogman, don't forget, we now have a second channel, a sister channel, and I'm running both of them, right? And that's Teacher Talks Dogman. And if you're not a subscriber there yet, go and look right now. Go look in the description, and you'll see how you can easily become a subscriber to Teacher Talks Dogman. Also, you can subscribe to Teacher Talks if you haven't done it yet. And hey, why don't you pause right now and go up there and push the thumbs up on this video? No, I'm serious. Do it right now. Go ahead. Give it a thumbs up. We're getting way too many views, which is amazing, for how many thumbs up we have, right? These should be getting like hundreds of thumbs up. All right, guys. Here's Azor Sigaleski. Good to see you again. I have the full Captain Underpants. I have the full color Captain Underpants book so far. One is not in full color, and I have never read that one. I'll tell you what, you know what? The color pictures make the books just come alive. So I definitely understand what you're saying. And, you know, they cost more. So if you guys can afford those to get the color picture ones, especially like Ricky Ricotta's Mighty Robot and the Captain Underpants book series, both of those I highly recommend if you're going to buy them. Get them in color in the hardcover if you can afford it. Here's Zaid Plays. Oh, I wonder if that's Zaid Rosas. Says, yeah, it's finally coming out. Very cool. Good to hear from you, my friend. And here is Mario Plush Boys saying, or Bros saying, I have all the Captain Underpants and Dogman books. Congratulations to you. Have fun this summer. I challenge you. Can you read every single one of both series this summer? All right, give it a go. Here's Iron and Rose Gaming Show saying, "Hi, I'm new and I love your videos and I love both channels." Hey, thank you, Iron and Rose Gaming Show. Very cool. And I'll tell you what, I'll have to go over and check out your channel too. Welcome. And don't forget, on the Doggers channel, boy, we have a lot of videos coming out there. And guess what? You're officially part of the Doggers crew. So thanks so much for the kind comment. Adrian Lego Cool says, "Can we make intros for teacher talks?" That's a good question. That's a good question. If you guys like doing the intros and outros, I'm having some of the Doggers crew over on the other channel make some intros and outros and all kinds of stuff. I have to say it's getting a little bit challenging because you guys are sending so much awesome stuff to me. But you know what, Adrian Lego Cool, why don't you go ahead and make us an intro, and I'll see what I think. I'll see what I can do. Now, make sure if you guys are going to make intros and outros, you need to double check and make sure that it's copyright friendly music. Otherwise, YouTube kind of gets mad at me and takes down the videos or puts a strike against the videos. So make sure it's copyright-friendly music. All right, guys. Mr. Pig, nice work. Thanks, Mr. Pig. Boy, you're getting highlighted today with that new... you got that new picture there for your account. Very cool. Reagan Kennedy says, "Thank you, Teacher Talks." Thanks, Reagan Kennedy. Good to hear from you. OMG, amazing. Thank you. Silly Alex says, "Hi, Teacher Talks." Hello, Alex. Here's Mark Javen coming in saying, "There's a Captain Underpants 9 in color edition. I just can't get the link because it says no image available on Amazon. Search Captain Underpants and the terrifying return of the Tippy trousers color edition if you put in full color." Okay, very cool. I'll have to check it out. That's amazing. Thanks, Mark. Wanley says, "Okay, I'll say your full name." Wanley1 Kindly Kayan says, "I got an intro for Teacher Talks." Okay, I'll have to go over and check it out. Mark Javen says, "It comes out the same day as Dogman for whom the ball rolls." I know. I don't know if they... Well, obviously they did that on purpose, huh? Okay, Gamer Blitz. "I love your videos. You make the best." Thank you very much. I sure appreciate that. And Julian, Cool Programmer, who's been... Boy, he's been coming in with some kind comments on both channels, by the way. And thank you very much. And congratulations to you for being first. And Captain Dog says, "I love your videos and check my intro." Okay, I will. I'm going to see my favorite singer live June 26th. Oh, yeah? Well, who's your favorite singer? Put it in the comments down below. I want to know who that is. That's cool. Okay, Roblox Gamer Adrian says, "Wow, a new one. That cool." All right, giving hearts out, giving thumbs up out. Hey, guys, I sure appreciate you guys watching these videos. Thank you so much. A huge shout out. Where'd Mr. Pig go? Let's find Mr. Pig. Huge shout out to Mr. Pig right there who helped us to find this video right here. Make sure... Be kind, be nice, clean up your room without your parents asking, and just look at the smile on your parents' face. See if we can have as much fun as possible this summer, being kind, being awesome. Someone's not nice to you, be even nicer to them. Someone's being mean to you, be like triple, double dog dare nice to them. And what'll happen is that you're going to be so nice to them, they won't know what to do with themselves. And all of a sudden, they're going to start being nice to you, because they don't know what else to do. All right, guys, I think you're all awesome. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.